tight, performance lovers. Chevrolet is rewriting the rules once again. The 2025 Corvette ZR1 is finally here, and it's not just another trim. This beast is a statement. With brutal power, cutting-edge tech, and bold aerodynamics, the ZR1 isn't chasing supercars, it's hunting them. You're watching Next Gen Reviews, and today we're diving into why the 2025 ZR1 may be the most important Corvette ever built. Performance that pushes limits. Under the hood, the ZR1 houses a twin-turbocharged version of the Z06's 5.5-litre flat-plane crank V8, reportedly delivering upwards of 850 horsepower. That's nearly hypercar territory. Paired with rear-wheel drive and a dual-clutch transmission, expect blistering 0 to 60 times, possibly under 2.5 seconds. Aero meets aggression. Aerodynamics takes centre stage with a redesigned front fascia, massive rear wing, and aggressive diffusers. The ZR1 isn't just built for speed, it's sculpted for precision. Every vent, angle, and surface is tuned to maximise downforce and cooling. Tech, track, and everyday thrill. Inside, it blends race-ready focus with premium tech, digital displays, track telemetry, and possibly GM's latest semi-autonomous features. Whether you're carving up circuits or cruising highways, the ZR1 is engineered to thrill on every front. Final thoughts. The 2025 Corvette ZR1 doesn't just raise the bar, it demolishes it. It's the boldest evolution in Corvette history and a serious threat to European rivals. Want to see how it stacks up on the track? Subscribe to Next Gen Reviews and stay tuned. This is just the beginning.